Hi, welcome to Ninu's Math classes. Here is MCQ about simple equation chapter 4 class 7. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon. Now, let's discuss some short note about variables and expressions, equation, etc. First is variable and expression. A variable takes different values. Its values is not fixed. That is the variable. From variables, we form expressions by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That is, an example for an expression is 4x plus 6, where variable is x. Next we discuss what is an equation. An equation is a condition on variable that two expressions in the variable have equal value. For example, 4x plus 5 equal to 9. It is an equation. Now what is solution of an equation? That is the value of the variable in an equation for which equation is satisfied is called the solution of the equation. For example, 4x plus 9 equal to 13. What is the solution? The solution is x equal to 1. Giving x equal to 1, we will get 4 into 1 plus 9, which is equal to 13. So, LHS equal to RHS. So, it is a solution of x equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation 4x plus 9 equal to 13. Now, we have some important multiple choice questions. First question, what is the solution for the equation 19 minus 3y equal to 1? That is, we want to find y, what is y. Options are A 16, B 18, C 8, D 6. Its answer is 6. To find the solution, here we get 19 minus 3y equal to 1. That is minus 3y equal to 1 minus 19. We got minus 3y equal to minus 18. That is y equal to minus 18 by minus 3, which is equal to 6. That is the value of y equal to 6. Second question, write the following statement in the form of an equation. Question is, the sum of 5 times x and 12 is 22. Options are, first option 5x minus 12 equal to 22. Second one, 5x by 12 equal to 22. Third one, 5x plus 12 equal to 22. And the final one, 5x plus 22 equal to 12. Its answer is 5x plus 12 equal to 22. That given that, let take the number be x, that is given. That then the 5 times x and 12 is sum of. So 5x plus 12 is given as 22. So 5x plus 12 equal to 22. This is the correct answer. Third question, solve for m. That is 3m by 5 divided by 5 plus 4 equal to 7. You want to find the value of m. The options are 3, 5, 2 and 7. Its answer is 5. Given that 3m by 5 plus 4 equal to 7, then 3m by 5 equal to 7 minus 4. That is 3m by 5 equal to 7 minus 4, we got 3. Then 3m by 5 equal to 3. 3m equal to 3 into 5. We got 3m equal to 15. So m equal to 15 by 3 equal to 5. That is 3m means 3 into m. So m equal to 15 by 3 equal to 5. Solve for x. Fourth problem. Solve for x given that minus 3x minus 2 divided by 4 plus 4x minus 5 divided by 12 equal to 1 by 3. Its answers are given as is minus 7, minus 3, 8, 1 by 2. You want to find the correct answer. So solution is minus 3. Given that minus 3x minus 2 divided by 4 plus 4x minus 5 divided by 12 equal to 1 by 3. Taking LCM of 4 and 12 on LHS, we got as 12. Then we get the upper part as, that is, we got 3 into minus 3x minus 2 plus 4x minus 5 all divided by 12 equal to 1 by 3. Then taking 12 into RHS, we get 3 into minus 3x minus 2 plus 4x minus 5 equal to 12 into 1 by 3. Then in the LHS, we opening the bracket. We got minus 9x minus 6 plus 4x minus 5 equal to 12 divided by 3 we got as 4. Then in LHS again collecting the xth term. Then we got minus 9x plus 4x. We got minus 5x. Then minus 6 and minus 5 we will get minus 11 which is equal to 4. Taking minus 5x equal to 4 plus 11, that is the constant term went to RHS, and minus 5x equal to 4 plus 11 we got 15. Then x equal to minus 15 divided by minus 5 got that is equal to minus 3. Answer is minus 3. Next problem, given that 5x plus 3 equal to 25, the value of x equal to minus 5. We want to prove that it is true or false. Options are true or false. We got answer as false. That is, we have 5x plus 3 equal to 25. The value of x is given minus 5. That is the solution. So, substituting in the equation 5x plus 3, we got 5 into minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 25 plus 3. We got LHS as minus 22. But we know that RHS is 25. So, it is x equal to minus 5 is not the solution. That is 5x plus 3 equal to 25. The value of x is not equal to minus 5. That is minus 5 is not the solution. Next problem. Ram's father's age is 7 years more than 5 times Ram's age. Ram's father is 42 years old. Find the age of Ram. Options are 8, 7, 6 and 11. This is a very important problem in linear equation. First, its solution is 7. That is Ram's age is 7. First we take Ram's age as y, that we don't know. Then convert it into a linear equation given that Ram's father's age is 7 years more than 5 times Ram's age. So 5 times y, 5y plus 7 which is equal to 42, given that Ram's father's age is 42. So we got a linear equation as, simple equation as 5y plus 7 equal to 42. Then 5y equal to 42 minus 7. We got 5y equal to 35. Then y equal to 35 divided by 5. Answer as 7. That is Ram's age is 7. Seventh problem. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex is 40 degree. Vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles? Options are 70, 80, 40 and 60. That is, we want to find the base angles of a isosceles triangle. Answer is 70. We know that in an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. So that we can take the base angle as x. So we got x plus 40 equal to 180. That is, sum of 3 angles of triangle is 180. That is, we know that. We know that sum of the 3 angles of triangle is 180. So we got 2x plus 40 equal to 180 and 2x equal to 180 minus 40. 2x equal to 140. So x equal to 140 divided by 2 equal to 17. That is, we know that both the base angles are equal. So both are 70 and 70. So its answer is 70, 70. Question number 8. Solve 3 within bracket x minus 3 minus 4 into within bracket x plus 1 equal to 7. So options are 20 minus 10, 10 minus 20. The answer is minus 20. We have 3 into within bracket x minus 3 minus 4 into within bracket x plus 1 equal to 7. That is, then doing the brackets open, we get 3x minus 9 minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 7. Then adding minus 3x and plus 3x and minus 4x, we got as minus x. Minus 9 and minus 4 we got as minus 13. RHS is equal to 7. So minus x equal to 7 plus 13. Then minus x equal to 20. X equal to minus 20. Ninth problem. When I subtract 12 from thrice of a number, the result was 18. What is the number? Options are 10, 20, 12 and 15. Its answer is 10. We have, let y be that number, then we make an equation that 3y minus 12 equal to 18. That is, I subtract 12 from thrice of a number. Thrice of a number means 3y. 3y minus 12. The result was 18. So equal to 18. Then 3y equal to 18 plus 12. Then y equal to 30 divided by 3, which is equal to 10. That is 18 plus 12 equal to 30. So y equal to 30 by 3 equal to 10. Next problem. Solve minus 4 within bracket 2 plus 3t equal to 16. Options are minus 1, minus 2, 4 and 5. So solution is t equal to minus 2. We know that minus 4 within bracket 2 plus 3t, which is equal to 16. So opening the bracket, we got minus 8 minus 12t equal to 16. Minus 12t equal to 16 plus 8. Collecting the constant, then minus 12t equal to 24. T equal to 24 divided by minus 12, which is equal to minus 2. Hope everyone understood these MCQs. Let me conclude this session. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.